Welcome you all for the concrete technology session. So we started with the third module, and in the third module we studied the water cement ratio and the gel space ratio. So today we'll see another important concept, that is maturity concept of concrete. Okay, while dealing with the curing and strength development, we have so far considered only the time aspect. Okay, when you are studying the strength of a concrete, we only think about the time, that is 7 days, 14 days, and also for 28 days. Okay, so at what time and what days the strength is going to increase, only that we used to consider. It has been pointed out earlier that it is not only the time but also the temperature during the early period of hydration that influences the rate of gain of strength. So the study shows that even the temperature is also affect the strength of a concrete. Since the strength development of a concrete depends on both time and temperature, it can be said that strength is a function of summation of product of time and temperature. Hence, the maturity can be defined as it is a summation of product of time and temperature. That is called as maturity of concrete. Here you can see the maturity is equal to summation of time into temperature. Okay, the temperature is recorded from an origin lying between minus 12 degrees Celsius to minus 10 degrees Celsius. It has experimentally found that the hydration of concrete continues to take place up to minus 11 degrees Celsius only. Therefore, minus 11 degrees Celsius is taken as a datum line for the maturity of a concrete. The maturity is measured in degree centigrade hours because the temperature is in centigrade and the time is in hours. Hence, the maturity becomes the degree of maturity, or the unit of maturity becomes degree centigrade hours or degree centigrade days. Okay, one example they have given: a sample of concrete cured at 18 degrees Celsius for 28 days is taken as fully matured concrete. It is maturity is calculated as 28 days into per day. How many hours? 24 hours. Okay, so 28 into multiplied by 24 is number of hours per day into bracket 18 minus of 11 bracket complete is equals to 19,488 degree centigrade hours. So this is what the maturity of a concrete they have calculated. However, in standard calculation, the maturity of fully cured concrete is taken as 19,800 degree centigrade hours. Okay, this is a standard value. Remember, the standard value for the maturity of a concrete is 19,800 degree centigrade hour. Okay, the period is broken into smaller intervals. If the corresponding temperature is recorded for each interval of time, then the summation of the product of time temperature will give an accurate picture of maturity of a concrete. For example, if you are taken the 7 days, 14 days and the 28 days. For example, for 7 days what is the temperature, 14 days what is the temperature, and 28 days what is the temperature. Then if you are taken a summation of these pieces of days, then if you do the summation, then it will give the accurate value of a maturity. In the absence of such a detailed temperature history with respect to the time interval, the maturity figure can be arrived by multiplying duration in hours by the average temperature at which the concrete is cured. Yes, multiplying that duration in hours and the average temperature will get the accurate value. So the maturity concept is useful estimating the strength of concrete at any other maturity as a percentage of strength of a concrete of known maturity. In other words, if we know the strength of concrete of fully maturity, we can calculate the percentage strength of identical concrete at any other maturity by using following equation. Okay, so for example, if you know the some concrete strength or some concrete maturity, okay, then you can keep it as ideal, and from that you can you can calculate other concrete maturity. Okay, so for that accurate, to find the accurate value of maturity, the Blowman has given an equation like this, that is 19,800 degrees centigrade hours is equal to A plus B log 10 maturity divided by 10 raised to Q. So how to use this formula they have given here? So to use this formula, you should know this table 7.5, that is Blowman's coefficient for maturity equation. So in this, in one column they have given strength after 28 days at 18 degrees Celsius megapascal, and another column they have given coefficient for A and B value. For example, less than 7.5 megapascal strength, then A is 10, B is 68. If the strength is between 17.5 to 35 megapascal, then 21 and 61. 35 to 52.5, then 32 and 54. 52.5 to 70, then 42 and 46.5. Okay, so like this A and B values are used for calculation of a concrete. Okay, so they have given one example. We'll see that example. The strength of a sample of fully matured concrete is found to be 40 megapascal. Strength they have given, that is 40 megapascal. Find the strength of identical concrete at the age of 7 days when cured at a temperature during the daytime 20 degrees Celsius and during night time 10 degrees Celsius. So the maturity of the concrete is given by summation of time into temperature. As we know, in the problem they have given a strength as 40 megapascal and the days are 7 days, temperature as 20 at day and 10 at night. So for this, how to calculate the maturity? Use the formula, that is summation of time and temperature. So days is 7 into 12. 12 is day, that is day is 12 hours and night is 12 hours. So into 12 into bracket 20 minus of 11. 11 is the datum value which you need to consider. Okay, datum temperature, plus 7 into 12 into 10, that is night temperature, minus of 11. Okay, so if you do this, then you got a 4,368 degree centigrade hour. Okay, now you should calculate the maturity using the Blowman equation. So use that Blowman equation, you substitute the value that you got 4,368 degrees temperature, and you should see here the for 40 megapascal what is the A and B value. So 40 megapascal will lie down on the third row. So A is 32 and B is 54. So write it down and substitute A as 32, A as 32 and B as 54. See here, you can see here they have substituted the value here. Okay, so A as 32 and B as 54, and by substituting and calculating they have got the strength as 26.5 megapascal. This is the strength for given concrete. So by having one standard concrete strength, you can easily calculate the given or identical concrete strength. So strength of that concrete with the 7 days is 26.5 megapascal. Okay, in the same way they have given another problem with a 24 hours per day. Do go through that and try to solve the problem. If you have any problem during solving the problem or any doubts during the solving problem, you can contact me at any time on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. In the next session I am going to explain another concept of module 3 from concrete technology. Thank you.